Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Pundit Trades. I hope y'all had a great weekend, a long weekend. Hope y'all enjoyed today's session. Today was kind of crazy. Actually, I stayed like 4.5 hours just trying to trade. I made some few mistakes, and but still ended up in the green. I did overtrade. There was a big mistake, but I did end up green. Um, didn't have any breakouts to the upside today at all. Tested a few times. Let's do a short recap of what we had today. We opened the market, we pushed high, rejected over here in the 70s area. Then we did a big mistake. You're gonna see here in a second the mistake that we did. Like 30 seconds ahead, we got a small break of the support. So I thought to myself, it's gonna happen the same that happened on Friday, and I took the short here. It was meandering around. I was up like 150, 130 or something like that, but it didn't really keep pushing. And it's kind of reversed on us before it went down some more. So this trade stopped out. We stopped out on this trade. We didn't get what we wanted to get. There was a really rushed trade. I would not recommend to take trades right at the opening range unless you're really certain on have like 3-4 candles the same range, because you see, I mean, it really reversed to test the support here and basically resistance now. So it reversed on us right here. Can you still hold that? I thought we might. I kept holding it, and then we basically got 100 here, 100 there, and then decided they want to retest this support here. So we got stopped out, and yeah, it kind of ripped all the way to the upper resistance area in our zone right here. So at that point, we went down about $235. But see what happened from here. The 5-minute trying to go up, and you got this wick right here, and he really wanted to keep going lower from this resistance here. And I didn't take another trade here. And see what happened. Broke that resistance, the support, I'm sorry. He tested it. He broke it and kept moving lower. So my entry was a little bit early. That's what I'm trying to say. Trying to take good trading decisions, especially when you trade SPY and the ES and the NASDAQ. You gotta make sure your entry is on point, because those are leverage contracts, and each contract, which is not the micro, can be very volatile. For example, this NASDAQ that we trade here, it's a $20 per $1 move, and one candle can move 50, 60, 70, 80 points. So your entry got to be on point. There is a drawdown. You're gonna have a drawdown for sure, but you got to make sure your entry is on point. And we didn't have that. I thought we are gonna have that, but then it kind of reversed. Tried again, and then it broke down. So we did go a little early on this trade. If not, we could have finished this day. But yeah, we kept looking. Let's see. We're gonna have It was like 9:50. 20 minutes later, I made another mistake. Let's see where it was. Trying to find that area. Okay, we draw some trend line right here. We have a downtrend right here. Pretty clearly downtrend right here. I kept going lower. It just kept going lower, kept going lower, and our entry was a little bit too fast. Again, if you want the stop to be a little, you have more room to play with bigger stops, and your account is small. You can trade the micros. So over there you can. It's a tenth of what it is in the real contract. So we took another trade right over here. Actually, I saw some price action. I thought we got to the bottom of it right here. We got to the low of the day, about the 40, about the 40s, and then we went up about the 70, got rejected, and again keep lower. But I like this double bottom here in the minute chart. So we took it. We broke this trend. That's about to happen. Not yet. Still waiting for it. We broke to the downside, but we basically testing the 30s area right here, and then we have a clearly strong bullish candle from the buyer side. So we went in here, but from some reason, I don't know what, I tried to move the stop to have some more room because it's a bigger swing move, and it kind of took me out, just stopped me out by surprise. Actually, I tried to move it, and I think he hit it before I tried to move it. So that was a big reason for the second trade that I lost. Usually when I trade 3 trades in a row, if I lose 3 trades in a row, I'll stop for the day. I'm not gonna keep going, because then you basically don't think and you don't see the setup. You just want to get in to make your money back. But it's unfortunately in trading, that's not how it works. So we did take 300 drawdown right here. Give some room to play. As you can see, I gave it some more room to play because I really believe that that's the low right here as far as the setup goes. But we did get stopped out somehow. So right here. So you're trying to break this prior high over here. You're trying to crack the 70s, and he had some problem cracking the 70s. And then he went lower, and I raised the stop here just to make sure it won't reverse again. But it did reverse. As you can see, we went down $755 on the day. I do have a max paying of $1,000 a day. So we have another one trade to go and see where we get from there. I did see the price action. I really like this trend, this price action. As you can see, tested here once, and it keep going with the trend. It looked like this trend is gonna break, so I waited a little bit longer to see where the price is gonna go. As you can see, a lot of wicks to the downside, which indicates to me that there's a lot of buyers coming in. Okay, small rejection. Okay. Double bottom. And this price action is perfect. 2 double bottom, 10:30. The ultimate reversal time, 10:30, 11 o'clock. That's when it's the market reverse usually. So we took another trade right here because I see the momentum and don't want to miss that. As you can see, I wanted to scalp this out. Let's see how we did here. One contract right here, and it just ripped all the way to the upside. Just ripping. We took off about $500 right there. 520, something around that area. So we went down back to 230 after we down $755 on the day. Now we had a rejection about the 12,000 area. We had a small rejection here. I just basically kind of ranging in this area. Went back down. That's why I always try to take profit when you can. And then if you want to add, you can add or re-enter. It went back down. Just ranging here. And then it ripped. Of course. after he ranged, it ripped. But yeah, even if you catch a small momentum right here, you can make a lot of money. So I ripped to the upside. And add the trade. We keep looking the price action. Keep looking. Alright. Too far. Okay, this trade, as you can see, we took another trade over here. It did break the trend line here, and it's about to go lower than the support right here. And I love the price action, the way it moves. Basically ranged over here, ripped to the 60s, and then ranged over here, and then ripped the trend line. And I know there is a setup here. We took the ES on that one actually, but it's a bull flag, and it was right at the area of red to green on the SPY, so it all matched, and we took it. We enter really right here what the breakout is, and we're really just trying to get as much as we can from this market. We don't want to be too greedy, so whatever we can take here, I'm going to take off the table. The market really play about 400 here, 412, but we took off pretty early, and I did overtrade today. That was one of the reasons that killed my profit. I did the morning one too early, and then I did two losing trades and 2 winning trades so far. So it's already 4 trades for the day, and I'm trying to really don't trade more than 3 times a day on that, because there's no reason for it to trade so many times. But we took about $400 over here, and as you can see, it couldn't rip. It couldn't keep going, and it went back to test the support area right here. We're looking at a NASDAQ. This one is the NASDAQ. You have this trend line right here. And watching, see if it's going to break the trend line. And keep moving. It did kept moving. And I missed the trade right here. I did miss the trade. I wanted to get in and I enter right here. And I did miss that. I don't know why, but I missed that trade. See, another wick to the upside here that we really could enter right here or right here. There's 2 wicks to the upside, indicates a strong selling pressure. Went down and then try to go higher again, and then it ripped to the upside, and then you get another wick to the upside. Really, the market today was just kind of crazy, kind of ranging, but see $182 on the day. That's after we were down $755, and we are basically 50% profitable right now. So I wouldn't say it's bad. I should have stopped and just take the money and just finish for the day. But I felt like I can catch something, and I just overtrade, and this is something you shouldn't do. You shouldn't. See another test here, the resistance, another rejection. It's about in this area, the 10 to 40 30s area, another rejection, another opportunity here to take this to the short side, what I missed, and then kind of ranging this 2 zones, the upside, resistance, support. You see beautiful formation here of head and shoulder pattern. This is left shoulder, right shoulder, the head. It was perfect to take it right here, and I don't know why I missed it, but I missed that one right here. That's a beautiful formation. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, indicate of lower movement over here, and I didn't take it. It was a mistake. Could have taken easily 30 points. Going back high, looking at the 5-minute chart, doesn't seem as much as doing anything, but I got rejecting again at the highs. It reversed again, and reversed again. I'll keep going. Yep, and rejected again, and we just kind of ranged 1140, 1150. It got to the highs, tested the 40s, and then rejected the 40s, and just kind of range day. That's what I was sitting a long time today to see what we're gonna have. And just, I should have just called it, but I tried. I tried to get some of it. Mistakes, and then it just keep going lower here, if I remember correctly. Kept going lower. Okay. And then it just reversed, totally reversed at about 12 o'clock. Couldn't break the 35s, 40 area, and it just reversed. Went down. And then just all the way down actually. There's I think 2 trades that I didn't record. I think it was on the ES if I'm not mistaken. We took 2 other trades, so we took 4, 5, 6 trades today, which is a lot. we should like do less, because that's a lot of trades to take that we don't need to do that. And we did that. So from 730 and 55, a negative $755 of 2 bad trades, we ended up actually the 250, 270. We ended up being up $270 on the day. That's of course before commissions, but $270 on the day from $755 mistakes that I did actually, and don't wait for the right setup that I usually trade. I'll take that, $270, and I'm pretty happy with that. I gotta remind you guys that trading is risky. My results does not indicate any new traders, and trade with money you can risk. Okay, let me show you one more thing here. It's a Bitcoin chart actually. We had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days of basically ranging here at about 90 to 20,000 area, and then we break down with a bearish flag actually down all the way. It happened right now, probably 2 hours, 3 hours ago, and we broke all the way down to the under the 19,000 area. We're about 18, close to the 19 area. I really don't know what's gonna happen here. We just gotta keep watching that and see what we're gonna get there with Bitcoin. That's the short term, of course. I believe in the long term that Bitcoin is it's not just a coin. It's basically an ecosystem, a software. Everything gonna be built on. But the short term now with the bearish market is brutal. It's pretty brutal. Again here in the previous video that we got rejected on the 200 moving average. This is oil actually. Forgot to mention that. That's oil. You got rejected here. 200 moving average. 50 moving average. And back all the way down here. We had a low bounce, and now we testing this 86 area again for potential continuation to the downside. We're gonna keep watch that, and just keep watching on that and see where we're gonna go from there. But that's it for today. The video is too long already. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the recap. Again, trading on your own risk. Make sure to start with a demo account first. If not, you can start with Top Step, and they have demo there too before you trade with their combine, and see how you do, and if you can be profitable. Try to have a strategy that works for you. Each trader trade differently. And then that's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.